Alright guys, you know, we got a new car alert. So this is the car that my shawty was driving, and she wrecked it. Front end, as you can see right there, it's all broke up and stuff, and it had the roll bar on it, and you see right there where it hit and pushed it all back. So we got a low mileage 5.3 and transmission. Nothing's wrong with the motor or transmission, so we're gonna take this out and we're gonna put it up for another LS swap, or we might sell it, you know. So but this PPV, this police vehicle, you know, it had the roll bar and everything. Luckily the roll bar helped her out a little bit. So but as you can see, it's got slotted drill rotors all the way around, and we just put brand new struts on the back of it, and we just bought these brand new tires. This is mud where she slid in the ditch and everything. But so we had to buy her a new car, and the bumper was cracked on it. So hold on, let me show you guys. So this was the bumper on her car. So the car is a Ford Taurus, y'all. Yeah, another police vehicle. And as you can see right here, it was cracked, right? I guess where they hit it, and this was the headlight right here where it got hit. Right there where it got hit. So I had to replace the bumper. So as soon as I got the bumper off, this car was hit real hard. You see, it was hit right here, and it smashed. You see the other side? Let me show you. The other side is not hit, it's just perfect. But as you go right here, it smashed in. And you don't see these damages on these cars that you people buy until you remove the bumpers or quarter panels, and you see the frame structure of it. So let me show you the front of the car. Hold on. Alright, again, the new car, all-wheel drive. It's got like 70,000 miles on it, so it's got low miles. And this is the front end. This is what we're looking like. So the bar that you're seeing, I took it off a couple of minutes ago. Transmission cooler is bent, and you can see where it's damaged at right here. It's no good. And here was where it was hit at. Let me back up so you guys can see. It was hit. So the frame structure right there, you see, you would have never seen none of this if I hadn't took the bumper off. So I took the bumper off because I was going to replace the wing. So there you go. So you won't see this stuff on cars when you buy new cars today. So I encourage you guys, when you buy cars, now look, this is a clean title vehicle. So you know something like that right there will be caused as totaled, and you get a salvage title. But if the car hasn't been reported to the insurance company and the dealer just fixes it without your knowledge, you will never know you got frame structure damage or any kind of damage to your vehicle unless you're going to take your car apart. And nobody's going to take a brand new car apart, so they're just going to deal with it. So what I did was I got a whole nother Ford Taurus for the price of a headlight of a Taurus. So the price of a headlight, you're looking around $200, $300 or more here in Georgia, and I paid that for the whole car. So give me a Harbor Freight welder and a Harbor Freight cutter, grinder cutter tool, and we're gonna see what we can do with this in the next hour. So yeah, very clean car except for this stuff right here. So give me about an hour and we'll see where we're at. All right. So like I told you, give me a couple of minutes with a Harbor Freight welder, and this is the outcome right there. That's the outcome right there. I welded it in the inside too, y'all. So here we go. That's the driver's side. I didn't have to do nothing on the passenger side, so you see it. So, and that's from this right here, guys, to that mangled up piece right here. As you can see, it mangled up. Yeah. So instead of me trying to straighten that out, just go ahead and add another one in there. So again, Harbor Freight, and this right here, and let's take a look at it. Yeah, it's kind of messed up right now, but trust the process. It ain't even been an hour yet. It's been probably like 15 minutes. So let's see what we can get done. Shoot it. I'm gonna shoot it with a little bit of black paint. Cover up that so it won't rust, and we're gonna get to it. Just hold on. All right, you guys, we got it on. We got the front bar on. Now everything lined up perfect, as you guys can see. Let me get the camera focus. Everything is perfect on that side. We go to this side. See how I spray painted, keep it from rusting. Everything pulled in straight. Everything looks good. Yes sir, yes sir. Now it's time to finish the front end. See what we get. Alright. We is back 2 hours later. Alright, so I got the bumper on. I got it fitted. The only thing that really gave me a problem is getting these flush, but you see I got them flush. I got the inside done. So the bumper is on. No, like I said, 2 hours later, no really major problems. This right here is sticking out a little bit, so I'm gonna have to get that to go in. I just got to get that little notch to go in there. That's not a big deal. I just ain't got nobody here with me to push that in while I push the front of the bumper on this side. But everything else came in clutch. The bumper is on. Let's close this hood. See how it lines up. It lines up perfectly, very perfectly. So as you see, I got the brackets right there. So what I'm finna do now is install. Yeah. I'm finna install the bush guard. So, you know, knock the hell out of you people that be driving all slow and stuff. Got the brackets already on there. I didn't have to cut nothing in the front grill. The bottom I did have to cut a little bit, as you can see, to make it fit. No big deal, very easy. So I'm gonna go ahead and install the bush guard, and I'll give you a last update on it. And I did replace the radiator coolant, the transmission cooler. So I did replace the transmission cooler. I guess you guys seen that. So you will have to have this tool right here. It didn't cost nothing but like $10, AutoZone. So make sure you guys get that. You got to have that. Very easy. So let me install this bush guard, and we'll go ahead and I'll give y'all guys the last update on it. 2016 Ford Taurus police interceptor. Alright, finished product, y'all. 2 hours, let's say max 4 hours, changing the bumper out, fixing the front bracket, putting the brush guard on, trying to get everything lined up. So we did it from, you guys seen what the car was, to where it's at now. We are good to go. Yes sir, we are good to go. This camera up for you guys so y'all guys can see what's going on. There we go. 2016 Ford Taurus. You guys want to see the inside? Let me go ahead and show you. Okay, so the car came with plastic seats on the back. I did change those out. There you go. I did change those out. I changed these. I put these in here because it came with the plastic seats that, you know, when you guys get locked up, it's just straight hard plastic seats. So I put these in here. It needs an airbag, as you can see. The other one no good, so what I did was, cars, it's got these little leaves in it, but we'll take them out. We'll get it all vacuumed out. But it's a pretty clean car. Oh yeah, I got the airbag right here. It's my old lady's gun. She keep her gun with her when she rides. So I got a brand new airbag for it. Just need to put it in, and everything's pretty straightened out. So I put that airbag in there, change out the wires, put the airbag in there, and she is good to go, y'all. Good to go. About a 3 or 4 hour job, man. Good to go. Oh, let me get to the back so I can show you guys. Flex fuel, all-wheel drive. There you go, right there. That's what you guys want to see. All right. Got the LED light. Oh. Harbor Freight. You guys see it. So what I probably do is spray paint the bumper, the brush guard, then clear it so it'll be a good dark because it's got weathered. And that's it, y'all. Cool brown out, baby.